Ocean. Today we will discuss how do flowering plants reproduce. Structure of a flower. So here it is given a diagram. Anther produces pollen and male gametes, filament supportive stalk that holds up the anther. Stamen male reproductive parts of flowers. Sepal protective structures shielding the delicate reproductive organs within. Petals attract pollinators and shield the delicate parts inside. Stigma sticky surface that captures pollen grains. Style long tube that connects the stigma to the ovary. Ovary contains the ovules which once fertilized will develop into seeds. Pistil female reproductive parts of flowers. Pollination. What is it? The process of transferring pollen grains from a male part of one flower to the female part of another flower of the same species. Why is it important? It leads to seed formation essential for plant growth and reproduction and the production of fruits that human can eat. Methods of pollination by insects. Insects like bees and butterflies carry pollen from flower to flower while they collect nectar. Example roses, daisies, and sunflowers. By wind. Wind can also carry pollen to other flowers. These pollen grains are lightweight and can be easily carried by breeze. Examples dandelion and grasses. Process of pollination. First, pollen production. The anther produces pollen which contains the male reproductive cells, gametes. 2. Attractive pollinators. The flower may use its colorful petals, fragrance, or nectar to attract pollinators like bees, butterflies, or birds. Process of pollination. Transfer of pollen. When a pollinator visits a flower for nectar or pollen, it brushes against the anther, picking up the and carrying pollen grains on its body. 4. Arrival of another flower. The pollinator moves to another flower of the same species or a compatible one. Some of the previously collected pollen may rub off into the stigma of the second flower. Fertilization. What is it? A process by which a male and female reproductive cells gametes combine to initiate the development of a seed. Why is it important? It is essential for maintaining the diversity of the plant species, the functioning of ecosystems, and food production. Process of fertilization. Fertilization. The pollen on the stigma germinates and sends a pollen tube down into its flower's ovary. This tube delivers the male gametes to the ovule where fertilization occurs. Seed formation. The ovule forms into a seed and the flower's ovary matures into a fruit enclosing the seeds. Seed dispersal and germination. The mature fruit can be eaten by the animals carried by the wind or float in water, allowing seeds to be carried to new locations and grow into a new plant. A recap. Structure of flowers. The female part pistil is composed of style, stigma, and ovary. The male part is composed of anther and filament. Accessory parts include petals and sepals. Pollination. Process by which pollen of a flower is transferred from the male part to one flower of the female part of another flower of the same for but a different but compatible species. Fertilization. Process where the male and female reproductive organs contains to initiate the development.